Hi guys, this is my night routine and I'm gonna do it. You guys, but I'm doing this my hero because I only have carrots. And currently it's 9:22. I'm about to take a shower, but my mom's in the shower. So she's just stopped the shower. So guys, let me go get my towels and go in the shower and give me privacy guys. This yellow dress is in them go back and my skin is easy for the Hi guys, I'm back from the shower. This is the outfit. It's a yellow dress that says I didn't have a shower. And I'm going to make my bunny the table flowers. Yeah, we give it to my neighbor 2K shillings. Yeah, like in Canadian shillings, like 1,000 is like this. So yeah. So now we're gonna make and I'm getting it to vanity, the vanity museum. And now first I like put on Vaseline. I just Vaseline my skin. Like almost everyone puts on Vaseline. Actually Vaseline is very good. I love it. I can't do without Vaseline. I put it I put it on when I go to school. Right now, stop. And something I put on is too direct. I don't want to smell bad. Yeah, and that's still subtle because I used to lotion and so I deodorant because it like came get a bad lotion. And if I get a free deodorant, I don't know. Yeah, then we doing another outfit. Yeah, then the actually I put on is apple moist fruit lip balm. Yeah, it's actually very favorite. Okay, there, and it's running out. So I've gotta get a new lip gloss. And my time is ending for 3 minutes. Mm, yeah, guys, my makeup routine, and that's it. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow, or I don't know when.